We'll guide you through how to compare IntelliJ and VS Code to help you decide which one suits your needs best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open IntelliJ IDEA and start by exploring its interface. You'll notice that IntelliJ is known for its powerful refactoring capabilities and deep integration with the Java ecosystem. It's an IDE that's packed with features like smart code completion, a robust debugger, and extensive plugin support. You can also take advantage of its built-in version control system integrations, which make it easy to manage your code repositories directly from the IDE. Now, let's switch over to Visual Studio Code. Open VS Code, and you'll see a clean and lightweight interface. VS Code is highly customizable with a wide range of extensions available in its marketplace, which makes it ideal for developers who work with multiple languages and frameworks. It offers excellent support for JavaScript, Python, and many other languages. And its built-in Git support is fantastic for version control. One of the major differences is that IntelliJ is a full-featured IDE, which can be resource-heavy, while VS Code is a lighter text editor that can be expanded with extensions. Think about your specific needs. If you're primarily a Java developer or need advanced refactoring tools, IntelliJ might be your go-to. However, if you prefer a flexible editor that you can tailor to your workflow, VS Code is a great choice. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.